Just wanted to ask about injury issues. There were reports yesterday that Alex has joined William on the sidelines, could be out for the season. Is that true?
We have another session tomorrow for the Brighton game, and we are trying to get players back for that day. Today, obviously, they haven't trained on the pitch, so we'll know more tomorrow. With William, that's for sure, that he's not going to be fit for this game, and we are doubting whether he will be for the next game as well, but we want to keep the hope going and make sure that we give ourselves the best.
Mikel Arteta ARSENAL manager speaks here towards the next match of the Premier League as he is going to face Brighton Football Club, and now he is just describing of course, the quality of the Brighton and Hove's Football Club, as he used to say that Brighton is just a best team. It's just a team which has many quality players and the best players. In fact, here Mikel Arteta understands that very well, as he is going to face the great opponent in the England Premier League, and that is just true, as Brighton is just one among the third team, one among the great opponent this season in England Premier League, as Brighton punished, of course, Manchester United in the Premier League, despite they lost the chance to go to the final against Manchester United, but also Brighton also punished the Chelsea Football Club. Those are two great teams in the Premier League, and of course Brighton is just seemed as a younger team, and but it has a lot of professional and experienced players. And here Mikel Arteta understands that the game is going to be very difficult. The game is going to be competitive, but no doubt what he thinks and what he wants is to see Arsenal Football Club securing the points against Brighton Football Club, and he is just well prepared, as he used to say that Brighton is one among of the team that has, of course, it has fast wings, as they have been depending on their left and right wings, and in fact, Mikel Arteta understands that very well, as the game is going to be difficult, the game is going to be incredible, and the only way to win against Brighton is to make sure that the players and of course technical bench as well as the fans have been providing the incredible support on the pitch, and that should be quite clear that Arsenal is just it's one among of the team which has talented and high